who were examiners this year were 29,773 examiners who participated in the marking exercise. And this was successfully done. We also increased the number of marking centers from last year from the National Treasury on Friday, and the money has already reflected in the accounts of NEC. So whatever amount that was remaining to pay the examiners, we will be able to.
So we will have no debts like before.
We will not have any. So the number of candidates that we had this particular year, that is in 83, is 903,138. And out of those, the ones who did the exam, who sat the exam, were 899,284,773. So we have also done the marking of this. We had a total number of 32,632 assessment centers.